If there's something clearly going wrong with your hot tub pump, there are a few simple things that you can do to narrow down and fix the problem on your own. Here are 6 common hot tub pump problems and how to solve them. Check it out. Problem number 1, your hot tub pump won't prime. If you hear gurgling, bubbling noises, you may have trapped air trying to escape your jets. This commonly happens after refilling your spa. If you don't hear bubbling, you may have debris in your filtration system. Clean your leaf trap and your filter first and then try priming the pump. If the problem persists, you can quote-unquote burp the rest of the air out of your spa by turning the jets on and off. First, turn down the heat so it won't keep trying to run. 2, open all the jets fully. 3, run the jets on high for about 15 seconds. 4, repeat the jet burst about 3 times, increasing 15 seconds each time. And then 5, when air bubbles out of the jets, leave the jets on until the bubbling stops. Problem number 2, there's no water pressure. Is the water not moving in your hot tub? It may be something blocking your circulation system. First, you want to clean your filter and leaf traps and then try priming your pump. If you have really poor pressure, then you'll need to completely drain and clean your hot tub. Use a line flush product to purge your circulation system of any gunk and make sure the jets are fully open before you begin the cleaning process. Problem number 3, your motor turns on and off. A common symptom of a motor that needs replacing is random power loss. If it's not fixed with a simple breaker reset, it could be faulty wiring or the motor itself. You can use a multimeter to check whether your wiring is actually delivering steady power to the motor. And if it's not, you'll need to clean off any corrosion or possibly even replace the wiring. And if the wiring is corroded, look for leaks. If the problem seems to be internal, you may need to replace the motor entirely. And as always, safety first. If you're not experienced in handling electrical repairs, have a pro test your motor and replace the wiring for you. Problem number 4, the motor runs, but nothing happens. If you can turn everything on, but the water isn't circulating, you could have a stuck impeller or a clog somewhere in your circulation system. Grinding noises are a sign that your impeller isn't rotating properly due to residue or electrical issues. Clean your filter and leaf traps. Flip your GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter to cut off all power to your pump and then check your impeller. Clean off any gunk and try your pump again. A damaged impeller won't turn properly, which means you'll need to replace the impeller itself. Real quick, before we continue, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your hot tub questions, go check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of hot tub. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. Problem number 5, your pump doesn't turn on. If you can't turn your pump on, you can't enjoy your spa. If your control panel also doesn't turn on, that means you've got no power coming to your spa. The solution? Just reset your breaker. 1, locate the breaker box, usually a metal box mounted on a post or the side of your home. 2, open it up and note whether the hot tub breaker has tripped on its own already. This could indicate other problems in your spa or with the breaker itself. 3, flip it off and then back on again. 4, try to start up your pump. If the breaker flips when you start up your pump, disconnect the pump and reset the breaker. If it does not trip without the pump connected, well then you know the problem is caused by the pump. If it does trip, your pump is probably fine, but you'll need to troubleshoot the breaker itself or call a professional to take a look at your spa's electrical components. And problem number 6, your pump is leaking water. Water leaking inside your spa cabinet or near your GFCI can cause your hot tub pump to malfunction. They can also trip the hot tub breaker, fry your motor, and rust or corrode electrical components. Leaks can start out slow inside your cabinet and then remain unnoticed until they're a huge problem. Grab a flashlight, Open your spa cabinet and look for the source of the moisture, especially around the pump seals. It could be as simple as a worn-out union. You may also find a crack in your spa's impeller housing. Cracks can happen if your hot tub has recently experienced a freeze. You'll not only need to repair the source of the leak, but you'll also need to check to see if the water has destroyed any electrical components inside your spa. You may need to clean off some of that corrosion or replace the wiring to get your pump working properly again. If your hot tub pump is beyond repair, you may need to replace your pump entirely. And as always, if you're not sure what you're doing or you feel uncomfortable handling your hot tub's electrical equipment, please call in a professional. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel and check out the hot tub handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/spa. Don't forget to enter that promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.